hornbills feed on the fruit of 40 or so different kinds of trees and transport the indigestible seeds they contain all over the Western Ghats. So it's to the tree's advantage to attract the hornbill's attention. The figs themselves, although they taste nice, are not in fact very nutritious, so the hornbills have to eat great quantities of them. It can be tiring work.